tried to get out of the way. I done heard him come by 2 or 3 times. I believe it was him.
Oh, he was driving up and down through here?
I believe it was a white Chevrolet truck.
Yeah, that's what's down in there.
It was loud, and he was in it. He came by. I don't know if it's him or not, but first came by and they went yonder way down.
I can't tell.
I don't want to get close. I'm not getting. We're waiting for Alabama Power to get here. He said he was going 50 whenever he hit that power pole. Bro, he took that thing and snapped it completely. Yeah, dude, he was not going 50. At least bare minimum 80. Maybe even more than that.